Hello, welcome to School Bus. Today, we are going to describe this picture. Take a sheet of paper and write everything you can see in this picture. A notice board, a clock, a map, a globe, books, a teacher, 3 girls, 3 boys, 6 desks. Now, let's try to describe the picture using these 2 structures. There is, there are. We use there is to describe singular objects. There is a notice board. There is a clock. There is a map. There is a globe. There is a teacher. We use there are to describe plural objects. There are 3 girls. There are 3 boys. There are books. There are 6 desks. There is a notice board. There is a clock. There is a globe. There is a teacher. There are 3 girls. There are 3 boys. There are books. There are 6 desks. Like and subscribe School Bus for more videos. See you next time.